Good. This is Trevor Goodson, student SDI FT 100. Introduction to firearms. Doing a field strip test or field strip of BBR Rock Island Armory BBR 3.10 45 caliber ACP. So first off, we're gonna make sure it's clear. Get it here. It's clear all the way. Now go back. We got a disassembly notch and assembly notch. Go pull the slide back to the slide pin till you feel it catch. Pop it all the way out. I gotta do it this way. There we go. All the way. It's out. Let it go. Pull it all the way forward. There's your slide. Then, put that over here. Pull this back all the way. See if we can get it here. All the way out. Till you feel it pop. Then you slide that out. Take your spring out. Take your bushing out. Do that. Let me get it here. That's all the way. There's your barrel. We're gonna go ahead and clean it. Take a little bit of your carbon destroyer, Spartan. Love this stuff. I'll put a little dab on here. Oh, a little much there, but hey, what do you expect? Brush that out. Clean it here real quick. Oh yeah, that's dirty. I'll run a little bit inside the barrel. Right through. Wasn't too bad. Could have been worse. Make sure you get everything off, because you don't want it eating your barrel or divoting or putting any pits in it. One more time. Looks pretty clean to me. Put that over there. I'll put a little on the slide here. Clean that up. Clean that up the best you can. Guarantee. Ooh. Clean that. Definitely dirty. Yeah. Make sure it's good and dry. A little bit on the spring. Clean that up real good. Okay, now I'm gonna do a little oil. A little on there. Put it in there good. On the barrel. I know it should take shorter time, but alright, now here comes the fun part. All the way forward, right there. Slide it in. Make sure it's set in there, it's saddled in there all the way. And you got a little half moon. Oh, the bushing, yes, the bushing. Of course, the bushing. Make sure that's in there. And then take a spring and then all the way. Oh, get it back in there. Make sure it's in there. If you don't, it'll pop out. All the way. Do it like this. There. Just like that. Then take your slide, put it on your slide guide all the way. Make sure you get it all the way back. All the way. Make sure your pin's in all the way. Well, that ain't hitting it right. Crap. I'm dropping stuff. Sure it's in there. I'm gonna push in and up, and then cog it. Put your safety on. Nothing. And that is the best way I can do a field strip on Rock Island Armory BBR 3.10 45 ACP caliber, based off the Para Ordnance or Para USA model. And that's it.